As you can hear, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a pretty quick to set up installer. So firstly, search up in a search box of some sort and then find iexpress. Type in iexpress in the search box, right click and run as administrator. If prompted, click on yes. If on Windows 10, open search and type in pin iexpress. And then click on the run as administrator. And obviously, if prompted, click on yes. When you open the tab, click on next. Choose one of these. I recommend extract file zone. Enter the name. Let's name it tutorial for this example. You may choose a prompt to confirm that you want to install it. Then you may choose to add a license agreement, and then you must add packaged files, and then choose default. I recommend it most of the time. And then you may add a finished message to prompt you that the installation is finished. Now you might tick this tick box, and now you must choose where it is located. Let's name it setup, and then click on next. Let's save it, because why not? And then when it shows up with this create package, then click on next. And then it will finish and click on finish. Why did I say for administrator permissions? Because when you end it, it will fail to create it. Now let's see it in action. Roll the music in and to create an installer.